All right, good morning, everybody. It is Tuesday, first losing day on the channel yesterday, but hey, in the long run, never gonna remember that day. As long as we can keep them like that, I will be just fine. Was doing a lot of electrical work on the second trading studio this morning and last night, so hopefully we can unveil that soon. But today, let's trade. Watching CCIV, see if it gets to 3250 up through that area. Okay, here it comes up towards 3250. See if it gets through there. Okay, watching it. Tried there at 65, didn't get it. I'll give it a second. All right, I'm going to start CCIV here. Got it at 3281. See if I can get half out down below 3235. Okay, got half out there. See if I can get another below 32. Looking for below 32 here on the remaining 100 shares. See if you can come down there. It's trying. All right, and I'm going to take all of CCIV right there. Money trade. I will take that one. I need that one. Watching GME here, thinking about a tiny size short. All right, I'm going to start GME here. Got it at 192.17. Only 25 shares. Look for through 195 for an ad. Maybe 196. Oops, almost had 195 shares loaded up there. All right, going to add in there. Now have 50 shares, average of 194. First entry there, 192.17. So I'd love to get this under 192. All right, let's see if we can break down through 192 here. It's trying. All right, I'm going to take 25 off there. See if I can get down through 191 for another 15. It's sitting at 191 there. Okay, here it comes. All right, I'm going to take 15 off there. I didn't like that break under 191, so I'm down to 10 shares here now in GME, and I'll put a stop on those over 194. All right, so in the money here in GME, just a matter of if it's going to stay in the money on the rest. Okay, stopped out the rest around this 290 mark. All right, I'm going to start STRM here. Got it at 296. Only 200 shares in this one. And I'll just look for 276 on the cover here. All right, getting close, 2 cents away. Some bidders there at 278. Got close though, 2 cents away on the bid there. See if you can get back down there here on STRM. Looking for 276, which, you know, is only 20 cents, but it's a $3 stock, so a little bit more difficult. I'm on back down here, STRM, looking for 276 cover. Coming down 281. Got some buyers here around 280. See if we can break those. Okay, 278 again, 277. On the bid there for a second. On the bid. Okay, and all out STRM. I will take it. 3 for 3 today. Finally looking good. All right, everybody. So I think I'm going to call it a little bit of an early morning today, finishing up here at 10:30. We'll just call it 10:30 because I've actually been done for a few minutes now, just sitting around. But nice bounce back day today. I'm very happy with the day today. And these are kind of more of the days that I'm looking to put in going forward here on the channel in GDT version 2, is kind of stacking up those decent to smaller wins on the day, not being afraid once I get that first winner there over 100 to keep going and, you know, turn the day red, because if the opportunity's there and the trade's valid, there's no reason I shouldn't be taking it. So that's kind of what I did today. So finishing the day 3 for 3 for plus 271. Could have been better, but overall happy with the day to get out of that mini slump I was kind of in there for a day or two. So we'll break down the trades this morning, see what was happening. We'll start with the last trade here in STRM because it's probably the least interesting one, but this one was popping up here on the Ultra Scan plus I3. So it made a nice move. You can see this morning it was just kind of settling down, doing nothing. Came down, consolidated around this 235, and then boom, just shot up there all the way up towards 3, which you can see was the highs from the pre-market this morning and was hitting pretty high on the scanner. So just took this one easy because it's a lower price one, and I don't necessarily like the lower price, lower float ones as much because I'm not the best at them, but was able to make some money on it, getting short there at 296, and actually a really good cover there at 276 because that was the low of that recent pullback there. So happy with that trade. Making a little extra $40 on the day. GME is the one that's pretty frustrating this morning because I'm really happy with the entries here. It was hitting on the scanner as well on the positive I3 scan, the regular one, not the Ultra Scan because it was not at high days. But nice pop here from 176 back up into the high 190s, right into that VWAP, the 20 SMA there. So started the short there, very small size, 25 shares at 192, added in at 196. Got the first 2 covers below both entries, which is always the goal. So I was happy with that. And then I was trying GME to get this kind of move on that remaining, what was it, 10 shares. So I was looking to get that kind of move from the 196 average. Could have gotten, 20 points there had I been able to hold down to here. Doubt I would have, but 20 points there on $10 shares is, an extra $200. But I set the stop to make sure those remaining shares were in the money because it's GME and it can go crazy at any moment. So I wanted to be very careful with it, and they ended up getting stopped out before that big drop down. But put myself in a good position there for a nice winner there in GME, as it was just about $100 on the day. So I'll take it. And the very first trade of the day was actually, I was watching this one in pre-market. It was CCIV. This one's been moving a lot recently. You can see here it's been making some moves over the last few days. And I was looking at this 3250 level here in pre-market from the daily chart. You can see there's a lot of past resistance there around that 3250. It popped a little bit here at open, got stalled around 32, and then on this pop here up towards 33, it gave me a little move through that 32.50, couldn't get up through 33, so started the short there at 32.81 and covered decently down the way, 32.35, and then below on the break of 32. Obviously, it went much further down than I was expecting it to on that pullback there before it started its way back up. But that was a good first trade of the day, especially coming out of the little mini 3 in a row. It was actually 3 in a row losers that I had bid on. Can't remember the last time I had one like that. So I was very happy with CCIV making $132 there in just about a minute and a half or so. So pretty happy with that one. Actually, it was a minute on the whole thing, a minute and 2 seconds there on CCIV to make that $132. So on the day, this is exactly how I'm looking for my days to be going forward in the future. Was even looking for, a fourth trade, a fifth trade along the STRM size. Once I got those first 2 winners in there, I do want to at least make the other trades a little bit smaller like STRM was. So I was looking at Billy puts, I was looking at some Tesla options, but they just didn't give me quite exactly what I was looking for. So I'm going to end the day there, have a nice recovery day from the down day yesterday, plus 271.68. If you guys want to be in Team ISW, if you want to have the scanners that I use every day, make sure you check the link in the description below and use code GDTISW for 20 to 30% off every month, and even a little bit more than that if you join the team. You can use the link down there. You can trade with me, Volatility Trading, the creator of the scanners, who's the absolute master, all posting our trades and everything in the room every day. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.